Just a quick video on how to fix the extremely annoying error message, which is moisture detected in your charger / USB port. I know that is a false alarm, and this is for the Samsung A54, but I'm sure it will work for other Samsung models too. And the way I fixed it or got around this alert was by first going to, I do this just for good measure, this didn't actually fix the issue myself, but I go into apps in your settings. So go to apps, click on apps, and then here by 360 at the top, you'll see there's a little 3 lines with a half arrow. Click on there, show system apps, hit OK, and you want to hit USB settings. And what you want to do here is you want to force stop. And you also want to then go into storage and clear the cache. So that basically just clears out your USB. I do that for good measure. Like I said, it's not necessary, it doesn't fix the issue. What did fix the issue for me though is going to Android system and force stopping the Android system. You see that error's gone away straight away? It's not there anymore. And then we're going to go out of here and we're going to go to battery, charging settings, and you see here I've got fast charging turned off. I know it is a bit of a pain if you want your phone charged fast, but when this error message shows, this is the only way to bypass it. So I'm going to go ahead and plug my charger in. Might take a few tries. See, I got the alert there, but let's try again. Alert there too. The alert will show up a few times, but if you carry on persisting, you should be able to charge. It's taking a bit longer than usual, but this is how I fixed it before. There we go. You see the charging has come back on. So it will take a few tries, but once you get there, and you can see my phone is now charging. So it's not a permanent solution, but it is a way to temporarily bypass the error message until it resolves itself, hopefully, without having to send it to Samsung for repair, which is could be costly unless you're under warranty, and it could be time consuming, and if you need or use your mobile device as much as me, that is a very big pain. So that is how I resolved this issue. If it helped you, please drop a like and comment, and yeah, appreciate the view. Thank you. Bye.